Hey guys, I'm your German candy taster, and today we have a high protein Quarkriegel from Lidl kind of store. And I'm super curious how this is going to taste. So guys, this is basically like a normal protein kind of Riegel, but the only difference, I don't know. I think it's basically the high protein amount. Guys, we have here 8.8 grams in 124 calories. That's basically just okay. What I really like, how much sugar do we have? Guys, only 2.8 grams of sugar we have for in this whole thing. So pretty good. And how much fat? So we have actually a lot of fat for 40 grams, 7 grams fat. It's basically a lot. So I guess it's going to taste like fat. So I will open it. And this is how it looks. So it basically looks like a brownie or something like this. I will bite in it. It's directly out of the fridge. Oh guys. Guys, it's basically like biting in butter. It's so much fat in the taste, but super good. Guys, it basically tastes like in the Milchschnitte, in the in-between cream, just with more fat and harder and also more protein in the taste and less sweet, but it's super good actually. I think this will be a basic product. Guys, 9 out of 10 in the rating. I think this will be a basic, so I will buy it in the future a lot of times. Okay guys, that's it for today. See you in the next video. So 9 out of 10 in the rating. And I mean 10 gram protein for 40 grams is okay.